Awesome and useful camping gadgets on Amazon. Camping is the perfect opportunity to get active and explore nature. It also offers lots of downtimes, relaxing in the fresh air and taking in the wonderful sights and sounds of life outdoors. And with all that free time and headspace swirling around the campsite, it really is no wonder that so many new and useful cool camping gadgets and camping accessories are out there. Lander Cairn Rechargeable Camping Lantern. Light up the night on your next adventure with the Lander Cairn Rechargeable Camping Lantern. Designed to attach to your gear, this light source is lightweight yet highly durable. The Cairn Lantern pumps out a bright 300 lumens, so the adventures never have to end. In addition, it sports a built-in power bank as well as a USB port. This allows you to recharge your devices even when you're nowhere near an outlet. Impressively, the Cairn Lantern will last you a full 10 hours when running at the brightest setting. Boombot Pro, taking music to the next level. For those who demand a high level of audio performance, the Boombot Pro is one of the perfect speakers you can have. It comes with pro-tuned acoustics, built-in flash storage, a clip-on design, and waterproof construction. The most interesting fact about this speaker is that it's capable of withstanding the most challenging elements, and yet delivers a power-packed audio performance on the go. The speaker also includes Siri/Google voice control and speakerphone features, as well as a Bluetooth playback system. The rechargeable battery can function all day without failure. Watch out for the high output, dual amplifier configuration too. There's also a hybrid rubber plus ABS plastic shell, which will allow the speaker to dive up to 3 feet underwater and withstand drops up to 10 feet. Now that's what you call a compact beauty for your outdoor music hours. Wakeko Pipmocha. This compact coffee addict stream is a perfect companion for any hiking or camping trip. The neat design and ease of use mean you can brew your favorite coffee while miles away from any cafe. Its innovative vacuum brewing and twisting system allow you to brew the perfect cup of coffee in around 2 minutes. Drop a waste-free pot of ground coffee into the insulated mug of hot water, and then twist it out again to create a vacuum-pressured brewing process. The coffee is then ready to drink straight away, or it'll stay hot for hours. The whole system breaks down into 5 super easy-to-clean components that neatly store away inside themselves. Love the outdoors? Love a good coffee? Love Pipmocha. Unibank Power Bank. This new release in 2021 is a highly unique item that provides power to charge your devices when you're camping. Sure, portable charging banks are nothing new to the camping world. However, the Unibank Power Bank offers the ability to recharge itself via pull cord. So if you're stuck out in the middle of nowhere without a charge, then 90 seconds of pulling might just save your beans. It comes with a built-in LED torch, but also has the capacity to add on some highly useful attachments like a panic alarm, speaker, light, and even a laser line and distance measure. Enevu QBE Light Versatile LED Lamp. Light up the night with the Enevu QB Light Versatile LED Lamp. Though this modern cube light is just 2 inches square, it produces up to 100 lumens. So this compact light may be small, but it is mighty. The outer shell of this lamp acts as a subtle diffuser to illuminate its surroundings with a soft white glow, and you can pick from 3 dimming levels. Set the compact LED inside to an infinite number of different colors, ultimately setting any mood you'd like. Because it has a splash-proof rating of IPX4, this is a great poolside light. Moreover, it's super portable, so you can take it on your next camping trip or bring it to the beach or a barbecue. If you prefer, you can simply use it as a quirky and fun nightlight. ET Stone. Meet ET Stone, the next small thing. It is a seamless integration of state-of-the-art technology and revolutionary design, making it by far the smartest solar power bank ever made. It consists of an inbuilt LED lamp and torch, which can give staggering light outputs at 3 different intensities, ranging from 14 hours to 35 hours. Edstone consists of a 3,100 mAh LiPo battery, which can be charged by an AC adapter, laptop/B, and the 7N. It is capable of charging a variety of devices like mobile phones, tablets, and MP3 players, which can be charged using a micro USB cable. The solar charging of the product is done through a super efficient solar panel that assists in charging ET Stone's battery in almost 14 hours, depending on the intensity of the sun, making it practical and fun to use. One of the main features of ET Stone is its design, which boasts of a kickstand, patent pending, capable of rotating a full 3600, which takes its usability factor to the next level. It allows one to adjust the position of the product according to the angle of sunlight, give out light output at every angle possible, and also hang the product if needed. Wolf and Grizzly Fire Safe and Grill. A fire pit that you can carry with you in your backpack, and one that is campfire cooking compatible. Yep, this genius and incredibly lightweight contraption has revolutionized overnight hiking trips this year. The Fire Safe protects the ground and contains your campfire, whilst the roll-up grill sits neatly over it ready to cook up a storm, no matter where you might want to cook. The top insert acts as easy scoop ash disposal to ensure minimal trace is left behind. The sustainably created carrying case is made of heavyweight, tough weave recycled materials, rPET. Compatible with the Wolf and Grizzly Grill M1, not included, for a beautiful and fully fledged cooking experience. Kogalla Adventure Light. The Kogalla Adventure Light often utilizes LED technology to provide bright and efficient illumination. LEDs are known for their energy efficiency and long life, making them suitable for outdoor and adventure applications. The Aura Adventure Light is designed with portability and versatility in mind. It is typically lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry during outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, biking, or any other adventure where reliable lighting is essential. One of the distinctive features of the Kogalla Adventure Light is its adaptability for various mounting options. It may come with straps, clips, or other mechanisms that allow users to attach it to backpacks, tents, bike handlebars, or other gear, providing hands-free illumination. The light may offer adjustable brightness settings or modes, allowing users to customize the illumination based on their needs. Grail Ultralight Compact Water Purifier. This instant water purifier bottle is best suited to those far-flung, backcountry camping trips when fresh water needs to be collected rather than carried in. But it's also great if you're a bit nervous about the tap water you may encounter at your campground. It does an exceptionally good job at filtering out a lot of nasties, including waterborne pathogens, virus, bacteria, protozoan cysts, pesticides, chemicals, heavy metals, and microplastics. Simply fill the bottle up, push the filter down, and either drink up there and then, or save it for later. A Camper SkyCamp Mini. This may be pushing the boundaries of camping gadgets, but if you're looking for the coolest way to camp, possibly ever, then you may have just found it. A Camper has developed the SkyCamp Mini rooftop tent, so that even owners of the smallest cars can enjoy the uniqueness of rooftop tent camping. The insulated hard-shell roof tent sleeps 2 cozy campers and takes only 1 minute to set up. It also includes a memory foam mattress and weighs only 125 oz, 57 kilograms. Time to go road tripping like never before. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.